Welcome to Villa Valeria. I'm Alessandro Camisa, and we are in the quiet embrace of the Ostuni countryside, a place where the Apulian sun filters through the olive branches, where the time expands and doing nothing becomes the form of the heart. There is a kind of luxury that doesn't seek attention. It doesn't shout or flash or strive to impress. It simply welcomes you, wraps you in stillness, and invites you to stay a little longer. Because true luxury is not measured by noise, but by silence, space, and presence. With its minimalist lines and Mediterranean heart, Villa Valeria is a symphony of light and purity. 4 double bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms offering intimacy and calm, while the open-plan living space becomes the stage for slow mornings and candlelight dinners. Surrounded by private gardens and the rustle of ancient olive groves, this is not just a house, it's a state of mind, a space designed for the barefoot luxury, and the guests who value substance over show. Step outside and let the Apulian air of the Ostuni white city do the rest. The heated pool shimmers in the sun, inviting lady afternoons and spontaneous swims. A shaded barbecue and alfresco dining area turn every meal into celebration. Whether you're sipping chilled wine after a day at the beach or losing track of the time under the stars, Villa Valeria breathes with the rhythm of the land. This is where nature is not a backdrop, it's a co-host. This isn't a place you simply rent, it's a world you step into. Our team at Camisa Essential creates bespoke experiences, from private chefs who bring the region's flavors to your table, to massage and yoga under the olive trees. Boat trips, hidden trattoria, secret beaches, vineyard tours and historic towns. Your time here becomes a collection of stories worth retelling. At Villa Valeria, design is not decoration, it's emotion, proportion and light. This is not your typical Apulian farmhouse. Here, the whitewashed silence of the Apulian countryside meets the elegant rigor of the Scandinavian minimalism, and every line is clean, every choice is international. The interiors breathe with the soft light and muted palettes, blanched oak floors, handmade ceramic textures, sculptural furniture in neutral tones. Yet the soul of Puglia is ever present. In the rough limestone walls, the olive wood detail, the archways that echo centuries past. The result is a seamless dialogue between north and south, heritage and innovation. It's a place where a linen curtain sways in the breeze beside a steel staircase, where a centuries-old olive tree stands outside a living room wired with the sunus. Villa Valeria, it's not just modern, it's meaningfully modern. It's a sanctuary crafted for those who love beauty that whispers, never shouts. A home that invites you to slow down, sink in, and let the architecture hold you, like the secret only the discerning will understand. whitewashed charm of Ostuni and the poetic landscapes of Alberobello, Monopoli and Locorotondo, Villa Valeria is not just a destination, it's a pause, it's a breath, a return, and where you go, part of your stays. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us in this beautiful villa episode and see you in the next one.